Hey guys, it's Lee here from Auto Exquisite Detail. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a cool video for you guys because I'm going to be reviewing Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions Pro range. I'm going to be doing individual videos on each of these Pro line products as well as putting them through torture and real-life durability tests. I'm also going to be putting their Pro line up against their previous Hybrid Solutions ceramic range of products to see how they compare. So a lot of future videos coming up on these products, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of the future videos. And thank you to my viewers, the channel is growing quite well. Seeing the subs go up really keeps me motivated to keep giving you all good content. Also a huge shout out to Turtle Wax SA and Crazy Detailer for sending me the Pro range of products. If you would like to check out any of these products, I will leave links in the description below. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on their new Graphene infused to the Max Wax. Now this is their most durable product in their Pro lineup. I'm going to be telling you all how to use the product, showing it to you all in action, and at the end giving you all my final thoughts. So with all that, sit back and let's get started. The Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro to the Max Wax is a more traditional liquid wax, except now it has graphene infused in it. Their To the Max Wax is their most durable product in their Pro lineup, beating out the Flex Wax. So like I said, it's graphene infused, which gives it a tighter polymer bond for increased durability. It also has UV protection built in, as well as chemical and stain resistance and great hydrophobic properties. This product also protects your paint from oxidation and discoloring, all while giving you great gloss and shine. They say that this product has a durability of up to 6 months, which is actually very good because it's on par with the Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating. So this is a traditional, easy to use liquid wax, and even though it's Pro branded and graphene infused, it doesn't mean a beginner can't pick it up and get great results, so as long as you follow the instructions. One of the main things about graphene is that it has the ability to reduce water spots compared to the ceramic based product. Now those extreme cases of chemical, mineral and water spot resistance comes from the graphene coatings in those small bottles, but these here have the same technology, so you can expect to see the same properties, albeit in a sort of light form, which is more affordable and easy to use. Also guys, before you start, make sure to read the instructions on the leaflets which are on the back of these products. So on this vehicle, I actually have the Flex Wax and the To the Max Wax applied side by side for a real life durability test, which I will keep you all updated on in the future. Today though, we're going to be focusing only on the To the Max Wax. So like I said, this product here is very easy to apply, but to get the best results, you do need to prep your vehicle well. To start off your prep, you obviously want to pre-wash and wash your car using the correct wash techniques, and of course use a pure shampoo because you don't want any of the waxes in a wash and wax to interfere with the bonding of this product. Once that's done, and while your car is still wet, you can then move on to decontamination. So you start off with an iron fallout remover, and then as an optional step you can use a tar remover. The next step of the decontamination is to clay the vehicle. This doesn't have to be done, but if you run your hand on your paintwork and it feels rough, then your vehicle does need to be clayed. Once the decontamination is done, you can then move on to drying your vehicle and then do paint correction if it is required. Now these products will work fine on paint that isn't corrected, but if you do want the best finish, you can do paint correction, and of course Turtle Wax recommend using their one and done compound, but realistically you can use any paint correcting products, that will be fine. So once that's all done, you can then move on to the actual application of this product. It can be applied by machine polisher or more traditionally by hand, which is the way I choose to do it. If you are going to be using the machine application method, then you apply 3 or 4 small pea-sized dots onto a finishing pad or a wax pad. You work it into the paint using the slow speed setting. They say to wait 2 to 3 minutes for the product to haze over. You then take a damp microfiber cloth to remove the excess product, and then you finally finish off with a dry microfiber cloth to buff it to a high shine. Applying this product by hand is very similar. You put 2 to 3 small dots on either a microfiber or foam applicator. Use a circular motion to work it into the panel. You then wait 2 to 3 minutes for the product to haze over, and once again use a damp microfiber cloth to remove the excess product, and then finally finish off with a dry microfiber cloth to give it a high shine. Now normally they say work in small 50 by 50 sections at a time for a product, but because this product needs 2 to 3 minutes to haze over, you can do a few panels at a time, making sure that you don't wait too long before buffing it off. Now guys, I am going to be doing a direct comparison between the To the Max Wax and their Flex Wax so that you can know the specific differences between them. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss that video. So on this panel I have the Flex Wax on the right and then the To the Max Wax on the left. So for now we're going to be focusing just on the left part of the car. As you can see, the water behavior is very good with this product. It wants to repel the water extremely fast. So for a graphene infused product, it has extremely good water repellency. This product definitely wants to bead more than the flex wax, and if you're getting close, you can actually see that the water beads are very tight. And as you can see from the vertical panel, very similar behavior. The water just wants to release and run off the panel very quickly. So this product definitely has some great hydrophobic properties, and if that's any indication on its durability, it's going to do very well. Okay, so what are my final thoughts of this product? Well, firstly, it's very easy to use. Yes, it's not as versatile as like the flex wax where you have a lot of different ways to apply it. This product, you have to apply it by spreading it over the paint, waiting for it to haze over, and then removing it with a microfiber cloth. As far as liquid waxes go though, this product is as easy to apply as any. One thing about the application though is once this product has hazed over, it's not as easy to remove as a more traditional carnauba based liquid wax, but these products are not really in the same bracket as those. They have much more durability, so it's unfair to actually compare that, but it's something to note. However, if you follow the instructions properly and use a damp microfiber cloth as they recommend to do the initial wipe off, then you won't have any issues with this product. So if you're methodical with your work, you're not going to have any issues with streaking or smearing. But even if you do have some, this is not like a ceramic coating and it's going to permanently leave a high spot on your paint. You just go over it with a damp cloth and you'll be fine. Although even with all that mentioned, none of that is actually any issues. This product at the end of the day is very easy to use. And even though it's pro branded, even a beginner can pick it up and get amazing results. So a lot of people will look at these products and see graphene infused or pro in the title and get a little intimidated by it and think they need to be a professional to use it, when that's simply not the case, because these products are actually very easy to use. And finally, probably the most important thing of how it made the paint look, it definitely made it shinier and gave it a good gloss as well as enhancing the color. And even though that this product is designed to have amazing durability, it still was extremely slick on the paint. All in all, in the short while that I've had and tested this product, I was quite impressed with the results. Now I'm going to be doing a lot of future videos on this product and the others, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss those. I am currently running a real life durability test on these pro products and I'm keeping records of those, and I will probably make 1 or 2 videos giving you all an entire update of them. Well guys, that's it for today's video. If you want to check out any of these pro range products, I will leave it linked in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also feel free to leave a comment down below. So with all that guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you all on the next one.